Hi there, welcome to High5 Education. Join and excel with us. It's science time. Welcome to our class. Today we'll learn about 6 common tools found in science labs. Let's dive in, shall we? What are laboratory tools? These are essential equipment for scientific discovery and are used by scientists. They help us measure, mix, and study different materials. For measuring and pouring tools, we have the beaker. It's a container with a spout used to hold and pour liquids. Next, we have the graduated cylinder, a tall container with markings that measures exact amounts of liquids. Both tools have measurement lines on the side. Always read measurements at eye level for accuracy, got it? We also have precision tools. We have a dropper pipette, a tool that transfers small amounts of liquid drop by drop. There's also the test tube, a long, narrow glass tube used to hold small amounts of substances. These tools are perfect for small experiments and precise measurements. Handle with care as they can be fragile. Lastly, some special purpose tools are the Erlenmeyer flask, a cone-shaped container with a narrow neck, and the funnel, a tool with a wide top and narrow bottom for transferring liquids. The Erlenmeyer flask prevents spills during mixing. The funnel helps pour liquids without making a mess. Both tools make lab work safer and more efficient. High five! And this is our scientific knowledge for today. See you on our next learning video.